I've got a vintage Singer, model 1591. Serial number is AJ073256, which dates it to 1949. The machine's been completely rewired light, motor, foot pedal. Foot pedal's been electrically cleaned and adjusted, and the motor's been rebuilt and runs pretty strong. The light works, passes the tap test. The machine has wear and scratches on the bed and up here on the neck. The table does not come with the machine. It's for demonstration purposes only. This can be fitted in a cabinet or a portable carry case. And just to show you, well, it stitches. Got 4 layers of denim, which were already stitched once for photo used in the ad. See, it's got good speed. Good smooth control. See, it's got a good stitch. No skip stitches, no broken threads. And next I've got 4 layers of a thin leather, which is typically found on pants, purses, skirts, and jackets. And that's my furnace you hear in the background. Again, no skip stitches, broken threads, and there you have it.